Hey, welcome back to Glow Mode, the place where we don't chase perfection. We build it. Today we're talking about something nobody wants to admit. You're not ugly. In fact, you might actually be good looking, but somehow you still look average. People don't stare. Women don't notice you. You blend into the crowd. And no matter how many times you try to fix your hair or change your clothes, nothing changes. So what's going on? Here are 9 hidden reasons why you still look average, even if you're actually good looking. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to change that. Let's start. Reason number 1. The mirror lies to you. Every time you look in the mirror, your brain adjusts. You stand at the angle you like. You raise your eyebrows just a little. You tilt your head in a flattering way. You've trained yourself to pose subconsciously. But guess what? That's not how people see you. That's not how you look when you're walking, talking, or just existing. It's a fake version of your real face. And it makes you think you look better or worse than you actually do. If you want to know how you really look, ask someone to record a candid video of you from different angles. That's the real you. No mirror tricks. No controlled posing. Reason number 2. Phone cameras and selfies distort your face. Most front cameras are wide angle, and that creates distortion. Your nose might look bigger. Your jaw might look weaker. Your forehead might look larger. That's not because your face is bad. It's because the camera is lying. On top of that, when you take a selfie, your face is too close to the lens. This exaggerates all your features. It makes your flaws look worse. Even good-looking people can look terrible on a bad camera with bad lighting. If you want a real image of yourself, record a video with a back camera from about 4 to 6 feet away. That's how people actually see you in real life. Reason number 3. Familiarity bias. You see your face every single day. In the mirror, in selfies, in videos, and because you see it so often, your brain gets bored of it. This is called familiarity bias. You start to ignore your face like background noise. You stop appreciating your strong features. You only notice the flaws. Even male models and celebrities sometimes feel unattractive, not because they are, but because they're tired of their own face. If someone new saw your face the first time, they might be stunned. But you've already judged it 100 times. Reason number 4. Facial bloat is hiding your bone structure. You might have a great jawline and cheekbones, but they're buried under puffiness. This is called facial bloat. It's caused by water retention, inflammation, and sometimes excess sodium. You wake up in the morning and your face looks swollen. You eat salty junk food and your jawline disappears. Even your eyes look smaller because the puffiness around them increases. To fix this, you need more potassium, more magnesium, and less processed sodium. Drink green tea. Eat cucumbers, bananas, and leafy greens. Get more sleep. Reduce sugar. And drink at least 3 liters of water a day. After 1 week, you'll see a sharper, more sculpted version of your face coming out. Reason number 5. Low testosterone look. You might not notice it, but your face can start looking softer, duller, and more tired because of low testosterone. This doesn't just affect your energy. It affects your skin, your eyes, your bone mass, and your overall facial intensity. Sunlight is the #1 natural testosterone booster. Get 15 minutes of sun before 10 a.m. Eat more healthy fats like eggs, olive oil, and nuts. Lift weights at least 3 times a week. Sleep deeply for 7 to 9 hours. When your hormones balance out, your face looks more masculine, more defined, and more powerful. Reason number 6. You never built your face with pressure. Your body builds itself through resistance. And your face is no different. When you're a child and you eat soft food, breathe through your mouth, and don't use your tongue correctly, your facial bones grow in the wrong way. But if you chew hard food, breathe through your nose, and press your tongue to the roof of your mouth, you create upward pressure that makes your cheekbones rise and jawline grow stronger. Start chewing tougher foods like dried meats, raw vegetables, and sugar-free gum. Practice proper tongue posture. Close your lips. Breathe through your nose and let your tongue rest fully against your upper palate. Over time, this trains your bones to grow in the right direction. Reason number 7. Your sleep is ruining your face overnight. You might sleep for 8 hours and still wake up looking tired and bloated. Why? Because sleep quality and sleep posture matter. If you sleep on your stomach or side with your face buried in the pillow, you're putting pressure on one side of your face. This causes puffiness, asymmetry, and even premature wrinkles. Sleep on your back. Use a silk pillowcase. Keep your room cold and dark. No screens 1 hour before bed. This will help your skin repair itself, reduce inflammation, and keep your face looking fresh and even. Reason number 8. You copied the wrong haircut. Just because a haircut looks good on someone else doesn't mean it fits your face. You might have seen it on Instagram or TikTok, but their bone structure is completely different. The wrong haircut can make your face look wider, smaller, rounder, or even unbalanced. And most barbers won't tell you this. They just give you what you ask for. Instead, figure out your face shape. Oval, square, heart, diamond, or round. Then research what hairstyles complement that shape. Better yet, try virtual hairstyle apps to see how it looks on your own photo. Once you find the right one, everything about your face starts to click. Reason number 9. You've never seen your face in motion. Photos are static. They freeze you in an awkward moment. But your true attractiveness isn't in still pictures. It's in how your face moves. Your eye contact, your smile, the way your eyebrows react when you talk. That's what makes someone magnetic. You might look average in pictures, but amazing in real life if your expressions are natural, confident, and relaxed. Practice speaking in front of a mirror. Record videos of yourself talking. Watch how your face moves. Fix nervous tics, forced smiles, or overthinking. Once your face moves with ease and confidence, you'll radiate something way stronger than good looks. You'll have presence. Now here's the truth. You don't need to be a model to stop looking average. You just need to remove the things that are hiding your natural looks. Bad sleep, wrong hair, poor habits. You could already be a solid 7 or 8. You've just been living like a 5. Fix these 9 things, and you'll be shocked how different your face starts to look in just 30 days. You'll stop being ignored. You'll stop blending in. And people will finally see what's been hiding all along. You were never average. You just never let your face unlock its real power. Subscribe for more. Glow Mode's got your back. See you in the next one.